Working with legacy enterprise systems and just received a CO source file? COBOL still powers a massive chunk of the world's banking and government infrastructure. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you read, compile, and work with these COBOL programs. We'll start with the common fixes, but keep this in mind. I have a specialized CO tool that functions as a deep-level recovery option. That's Plan B. CO files are source code files, written in COBOL Common Business-Oriented Language, one of the oldest and most enduring programming languages used extensively in mainframe environments for business, financial, government, and administrative computing systems requiring high-volume batch and transaction processing. CO files are source code files, written in COBOL Common Business-Oriented Language, one of the oldest and most enduring programming languages used extensively in mainframe environments for business, financial, government, and administrative computing systems requiring high-volume batch and transaction processing. Most users will find that Micro Focus Visual COBOL, developed by Micro Focus, is the best tool for CO. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows shows the script plainly, but running it needs a trusted and correct runtime. We are testing every application for file recognition. Right-click your CO file and choose Open with. Test Micro Focus. Visual COBOL first. If it fails, select another application. The right reader is in there somewhere. If your CO file will not open, do not worry. The best fixes start with understanding the problem. Before we move to the universal tool, here are the technical culprits behind the file failure. First, view the source code. Open the CO file in Visual Studio Code with the COBOL language support extension or in Notepad++ with COBOL syntax highlighting. The color-coded display distinguishes division sections, paragraphs, data definitions, and procedure statements, making the hierarchical COBOL program structure easier to navigate. Next, compile the COBOL program. Install GNU COBOL, an open-source COBOL compiler for Windows, macOS, and Linux. Compile the source file from the terminal using cobc xfilename.co to produce an executable. Review any compiler warnings or errors referencing the specific line numbers and division sections indicated in the output. Finally, test and debug. Run the compiled executable from the command line, providing any required input files or parameters. For debugging, use the GNU COBOL debug flag cobc x debugfilename.co and step through execution. Alternatively, use the COBOL debugger extension in Visual Studio Code for interactive breakpoint-based debugging. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.